made it to Sagrada Familia. We're here, baby. Let's go. We made it to Sagrada Familia. All right, listen, let's try to get inside this place. So, we got to get inside. There's a lot of lines here, a lot of people here. But we're just gonna follow the signs that says entrada, entrance. And I got a ticket. You gotta buy your ticket online. Make sure you buy your ticket online and make sure you don't wait last minute. Because if you think you're gonna be able to buy your ticket the day you wanna go, you're not gonna be able to, because it's gonna be already booked, filled. I had to book my ticket 3 days, 4 days in advance. So make sure you book that ticket 3-4 days in advance. I got lucky because I was gonna go a different day, but they didn't let me go because everything was packed. So you get your ticket, I think it was like $30. It's like $20, something like that. So that's pretty much how the ticket system works. I wish somebody told me that, but no one told me that. Now I'm walking to the entrance. Sagrada Familia. There's a lot of cafes right here. It's always good to have a lot of cafes. Grab you a nice quick espresso shot. Lost my sunglasses in the Uber. The view is cool though. That's a dope view. Sagrada Familia, baby. Living life, we're traveling, we gotta get inside. It's packed here. All right, so I got past the security checkpoint. They got my ticket. Now it's time to walk in. Oh, this place looks crazy, crazy, crazy. This is sick. This place is crazy. Let's walk inside. Time to walk inside. Walk like this. Gotta hold the camera down to get inside. I'm chilling, baby. Living life. I'm trying to find my friends. I gotta meet some friends here. Oh, look at that. That shit is great. That shit is... Oh, that's nice. I heard if you come at sunset, it looks even better. It looks crazy. This place is insane. Look at the windows. So we're in the church now. Look at the roof. All the detail. All the detail on the roof is crazy. I think everyone's favorite spot is the glass. The glass looks cool. It's a peaceful place. Very peaceful in here right now. It's a nice, nice place. Look at this glass here. Got some lion going up there. What's that symbolism up there? What's this symbolism here? I never seen church symbolism like that. I never seen church. Well, yeah, you see stuff like this in the Vatican. So we got what is that? A unicorn? We got a unicorn up there. Got a unicorn. Got a flying lion with some wings. Got a flying lion and a unicorn. What does that mean? Tell me. Kissing Jesus, right? Guys kissing Jesus. At Sagrada Familia, this statue is of a guy kissing Jesus. We live in life. Sagrada Familia. This place is beautiful.
Nice. Real nice. Amazing.
So if you can see these guys up here, these guys are playing dice. These are centurions, soldiers. They're the ones that brought Christ to the cross. But these guys here, these guys right here, they're gambling for Jesus's clothes. They're playing dice for Jesus's clothes right there. Look at that. So this whole side is a story, the storyline. The Last Supper, when he was denied, sacrificed, making him walk to the cross. You can see these numbers right here, these numbers behind me. They made that because however you add that up, it's always going to equal 33, which is the age of Jesus. Washing his hands. Washing his hands right there. Look at that. Hearse from the crypt of the Sagrada Familia. A lot of detail on these. Oh, no windows like that. That's sick. Look at these windows with the sun.
Did you guys want a picture?
What they're doing? Look what they're doing to this guy behind me. What's going on here? Why they do Jesus like that, man? Got him hanging up here, sacrifice. Respect though, but it's definitely a crazy building. I'm trying to figure out what this flying, what is that, like a flying goat? Got a flying, we got a bird, we got a lion. Wonder what those mean. They got different letters. There's some detail there. That's it. You got the medieval side. This is the medieval side of the building. This is everybody's favorite side because it got some cool, like, I don't know, it just has a lot more detail. It looks like this is more visually appealing on this side here. This side's sick. Make sure you go downstairs to the basement because I almost missed it, but I found it going to the bathroom, so they got a whole nother museum in the basement here. Stuff like this. It's a cool place. Definitely a cool place. Definitely worth to see. This is how they constructed. This is the plans. That's how they did the plans. got a whole business out of this, 3D printed models and everything. He made the vines, design like this, with the flowers. So this is Gotti, the guy that designed and built this church. And it's just showing a lot of the designs, what they were based off of.
I want one more.
You get you a coin.
I would have get two.
You want another one?
No, it's okay.
That's dope.
Don't worry.
Yeah. For sure, for sure.
Everybody's got their own thing.
This Joseph. Look at this view from my hotel. I got VIP access right now. Nobody up here but me. They let me come up here. This is a bar, so this is gonna be packed. This is a bar. People are gonna be up here drinking, getting videos. But it's like 2 in the daytime, 3 in the daytime. No one's up here. It's closed hotel, so I get access to this view. Look at this city. Look at the city. This place is called Circatel.